So the big picture for this lesson is least common multiple. The least common multiple is the smallest common multiple of numbers. So for example, if I have two numbers here, a 3 and a 9, well, the least common multiple is actually 9, because 3 times 3 is 9, and 1 times 9 is 9. Let's look at a little different example. What if I want to find the least common multiple of, say, 5 and 3? Well, in this case, 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So the least common multiple of those two numbers is 15. What if I have 6 and 8? Well, let's see. 6 times 4 is 24. And 8 times 3 is 24. So the least common multiple is 24. Okay, so how can you figure these out? Well, let's look at this example 6 and 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor 6. 6 is 2 times 3, and 8 is 2 times 4, and 4 is 2 times 2. So I'm going to use a Venn diagram. This first one represents the 6, the second one represents the 8. And I'm going to put the common factors in the middle. So the 2's in common, so I'm going to put a 2 right there. And that's it. So what's left? You have the 3 for the 6, and then 2 2's for the 8. So the least common multiple is the multiple of all these numbers together. So 3 times 2 is 6, and then times 2 again is 12, times 2 again is 24. So the least common multiple is 24. So when would you use the least common multiple? Well, if you're trying to do a common denominator of fractions, that's what the lowest common denominator is. It's the least common multiple. So if I had 1/6 and I was trying to add 1/8, the common denominator here would have to be 24, the least common multiple. And it would actually turn out to be 4 24ths plus 3 24ths in this case. But that's a story for another lesson. I just wanted to give you an idea of when you would use least common multiple. So that's the big picture for this lesson.